my name is Sam. I'm the owner here at Kuttek Works. We specialize in custom vehicle wraps and signage. We do a lot of interior and some exterior signs. We started out with a laser CNC, but we needed to cut metal and do some custom projects. So we looked into at other options, and we came across the MaverickCNC plasma. So far it's been great. We love how clean the cuts are. It uses the hypertherm. So we have options of choosing fine cut and different gauges of steel. We can cut aluminum with it, which is really nice for lighter weight parts. It's been a great addition to our tools here that we use at the shop. We create some signs with it, custom grills for vehicles. If we're working on a project and we need a part made, usually we're able to draw it up and cut it out right away without having to wait for days on shipping and sourcing it out. As sometimes we're able to use the machine on whether it's truck parts or car parts. If we need to make custom brackets or spacers, special designs, cutting out pieces to give it a more custom look. The customer service was amazing with MaverickCNC. Every time we had a question, we called Carol. She was able to give us an answer right away. The customer support is top. We never really had to call and be on hold or have somebody call us back. They were able to answer all our questions. Anytime we needed help with setting up the machine, equipment or anything, they're able to give us advice, told us what parts to use, and the result come out perfect every time. The machine is really easy to set up. They already have presets. You just select the thickness of the metal and it automatically adjusts the power and the speed of the cutting. So you can get nice clean cut with little to no drops. Makes it faster to prepare the parts and you'll have a finished product. So they were nice enough to accommodate us. We get pretty busy during the week at times. They were able to arrange it to have somebody come out on the weekend. He came on Saturday. He was able to show us the machine and he stayed with us till Sunday. So it was a nice 2 days where he was able to answer all our questions, do minor adjustment to the machine, help us finish setting it up. And by Monday morning, we were already cutting and taking jobs in with the machine. Another great thing about their machine, their software, where you can actually make the design in their own software. You can draw your parts out, make the design. It's very easy, simple to use. The navigation tool is all there. You don't need another software to do, although it was really easy for us to pick up on it because we're used to using other softwares as well. So we had experiences with another CNC, but for a beginner or somebody, this is their first machine, I think they'll find their software very easy and convenient to use. It's a full-out professional version that you don't need other softwares. So if you get used to their software, you can just use that and make your drawings and cuts. Overall, I give them 10 out of 10. The customer service, customer support, technical support, the quality, fit, and finish of the machine is great. The parts of the machine, all the moving parts, they feel and look like they're really good quality parts that will last for years. It doesn't feel like a hobby machine. It's a real heavy industrial machine. I would recommend it to anybody who's looking for a good quality machine that they can have for years.